Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage investment workshops with Charles Schwab, full guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your workshop objectives. Determine the target audience for your event. Choose a suitable date and time that accommodates your audience. Select a venue that is accessible and conducive to learning. Set a budget that encompasses all aspects of the workshop. Outline the topics you want to cover during the session. Select qualified speakers or facilitators with expertise in investment. Create a detailed agenda that includes breaks and networking opportunities. Promote your workshop through various channels. Utilize social media to generate interest. Send out email invitations to your targeted audience. Encourage participants to register in advance to manage attendance. Prepare workshop materials such as handouts and presentation slides. Ensure that any technology needed for presentations is functioning well. Set up the venue ahead of time to create a welcoming atmosphere. On the day of the event, greet participants and provide them with name tags. Begin the workshop by introducing the speakers and outlining the agenda. Engage the audience by encouraging questions throughout the session. Facilitate breakout sessions to encourage hands-on learning. Provide resources for further research and education. Conclude the workshop with a summary of key points. Gather feedback from participants through surveys or discussions. Analyze the feedback to improve future workshops. Follow up with attendees, providing additional resources and information. Document the workshop's outcomes and lessons learned for reference. With careful planning and execution, your investment workshops can be a success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.